In the Sample Manager section, you can view a complete list of your samples, add a new sample, quickly search for samples through the filter, view sample information and make changes, as well as print a sample barcode and delete a sample. Follow the step-by-step instructions to view the Sample Manager page. Click the Management button. To open the menu, click the Samples button. Click the Sample Manager button. On the Sample Manager page you have the option to add a new sample. To add a new sample, click the Create Sample button. To add a new sample, fill in the required fields and other fields as desired and click the Create button. In Sample Manager, you have the ability to use custom filters to quickly find items and filter the entire list. To enable filters and select the desired categories, click the Grid Fields button. Select and activate the desired categories to add them to the filter fields. The filters you selected will instantly appear at the top of the list of samples. You can use filters immediately, however, if you do not confirm the categories you have selected, they will not appear after you refresh the page and you will have to select them again. To save your selected filter fields, click the Apply button. In the displayed filter fields, select from the list or manually enter the desired filter categories. For example, click the Designer field and from the drop-down list, select the designer whose samples you want to remain in the samples list. After selection, only those samples that reflect your chosen designer will remain in the full list of samples. You can use all the filters to more precisely search for the sample you want. For example, click on the Colors field, select the desired color, for example black, and only those samples that have the color black specified will remain in the sample list. If you want to remove any activated filter, click the Cancel icon. The list of samples will be returned to a state where all sample colors are visible. You can use all the filters together to make it easier to find the desired item, for example by searching by barcode number. You can reset your selected filter categories with a single click, after which your sample list will appear in full again. To reset the filters, click the Clear All Filters button. You can view your list of samples with list and grid visuals. Press the appropriate button to switch visuals. You can search for items in the samples list using the Quick Filter. Type any word you want to search for in the filter field and only items that match that word will be displayed in the list. All samples are marked with color. The green color means that this particular sample is available. Red color means this sample is not available. A yellow color means that the sample has been entered into one of the send-out documents but it is not finished and his status is pending. At the bottom of the page you have the option to choose how many pieces of the sample will appear on one page. Drop down the selector and select from the list the number of samples you want to appear on one page. Click the Select button to view the simple menu. To view the sample details and make changes, click the View and Edit Details button. View information about the sample or edit the fields as desired. The history of the sample placed at the bottom of the sample details, where there is a record of when, to whom and at what time the sample was sent. Click on the delivery number to view a specific record. You have the option to download the delivery memo document in Excel format, send it by email, make changes to it, print it or print the barcode of the document. Press the X button to close the delivery memo document. If you have made any changes to the sample records, press the Update button to save them. If you have not made any changes, close it by clicking the X button. Click the Select button to view the simple menu. To print a sample barcode label, click the Print Barcode Labels button. Click the Print Barcode icon. Select your printer settings and click the Print button. Click the Select button to view the simple menu. You have the option of duplicating a sample, at which point after making any changes it will appear in the sample list as a new sample with its own unique new barcode. Click the Create Duplicate button to duplicate the sample. If desired, make changes to the sample information and click the Create button. A message about creating a new sample is displayed in the central part of the screen. Click the Select button to view the simple menu. To delete a simple, click the Delete button. Click the Yes button to confirm.